Hello everyone. In this video, we explore the cutting-edge innovations in the agricultural world. We'll showcase mind-blowing machines and tools that are revolutionizing farming. From intelligent crop-gathering machines to drone armies for reforestation and precise pest identification tools, the advancements in agriculture are taking farming to a whole new level. Get ready to witness the incredible future of farming. Now is the moment to see these wonders in action. Prepare to have your mind blown by the amazing HarvestMaster 3000, the groundbreaking Soilless Pro, the groundbreaking Aquadrone 2000, the breathtaking Drone Seed 4000, and the unsurpassed accuracy of the Crop Guardian 5000. Believe me when I say that you have never seen anything like this. So without further ado, let's begin this exhilarating journey and investigate the incredible agricultural tools and machinery that are on a completely new level. Friends, buckle up, for the future of farming is going to unfold right before our very eyes. 1. HarvestMaster 3000, the intelligent harvesting solution, the groundbreaking HarvestMaster 3000 is our first amazing machine. Imagine a combine harvester that evaluates the grain quality as it is being harvested using artificial intelligence in addition to reaping and threshing the crops. With this cutting-edge technology, maximum yield and unmatched efficiency are guaranteed. Advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms on the HarvestMaster 3000 allow it to evaluate the color, size, weight, and even nutritional value of the harvested grains. It streamlines the harvesting procedure by determining the highest quality crops, saving time and enhancing farmer profitability. 2. Soilless Pro, unleashing the power of precision agriculture. The Soilless Pro is a revolutionary method for monitoring soil that comes next. When it comes to understanding soil health, speculation is a thing of the past. This tool gives farmers exact information for the best crop growth in real time, including data on soil moisture, pH levels, and nutrient content. A revolutionary tool for precision farming is the Soilless Pro. It uses cutting-edge sensors that are buried in the soil to continuously monitor important variables. Farmers are able to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and crop management because of the real-time analysis and visualization of this data. 3. Aquadrone 2000. Precision irrigation takes flight. The Aquadrone 2000 is an autonomous drone that was created especially for irrigation of crops. This innovative tool makes use of cutting-edge sensors to pinpoint the parts of the field that need water the most. Following that, it precisely targets certain areas, reducing water waste and increasing effectiveness. The Aquadrone 2000 transforms how we water crops. Its incredibly sophisticated sensors allow it to assess soil moisture, plant health, and even the weather. It reduces water use and ensures optimal crop growth by mapping out the irrigation requirements of the land. 4. Drone Seed 4000. Reforestation takes flight. Now get ready to be amazed at the amazing airborne reforestation system known as the Drone Seed 4000. The reforestation effort will be greatly aided by this drone fleet, which can plant thousands of tree seeds per day. We can regenerate our woods more quickly and accurately with AI guidance. Future of reforestation is the Drone Seed 4000. These drones' artificial intelligence enables them to explore difficult terrain, find the best spots for planting, and accurately deploy seed pods. We can now quickly and effectively restore our woods, assisting in the fight against climate change and the preservation of biodiversity. 5. Crop Guardian 5000. Unparalleled crop protection. With the Crop Guardian 5000, a groundbreaking tool that identifies pests and diseases in crops with unparalleled accuracy, let's now explore the realm of crop protection. With its sophisticated sensors and picture recognition software, the Crop Guardian 5000 can detect pests, diseases, and even nutrient deficits in crops. Early detection of these problems enables farmers to take rapid, focused action to stop crop losses and guarantee healthy yields. 6. Robo-farmers. Automation redefines agriculture. Be prepared to be amazed by the rise of robo-farmers, where farm automation takes center stage. All aspects of farming, from planting and seeding to harvesting and packaging, are being revolutionized by these sophisticated equipment. Robo-farmers are created to increase agricultural output, accuracy, and efficiency. They can carry out activities with unparalleled accuracy and speed because of sophisticated algorithms and sensors. In addition to lowering labor expenses, these robots relieve farmers' physical stress, allowing them to concentrate on farming's more intricate and strategic facets. 7. Vertical farming systems. Growing upwards for sustainability. Vertical farming methods have been a game changer in the quest for efficient and sustainable food production. These cutting-edge systems make it possible to produce crops in vertical layers, maximizing space efficiency and reducing resource use. Advanced hydroponic or aeroponic techniques are used in vertical farming systems to give crops the right amount of water, nutrients, and light. These systems enable year-round development, decreasing dependence on seasonal changes and outside variables, thanks to regulated conditions and LED grow lights. They are encouraging food security, lowering transportation emissions, and opening the road for urban agriculture and local food production. 8. Agri-robotic swarms. Collaboration redefined. Imagine a group of tiny robots cooperating to complete farming duties. Swarms of tiny robots called agri-robotics are transforming agriculture by combining their capabilities to carry out difficult tasks quickly. These little autonomous robots can talk to one another and work together to complete tasks like pollination, weeding, and even crop monitoring. They increase effectiveness, cut down on time, and raise total agricultural yield by cooperating in synchronous harmony. Teamwork in farming will take on entirely new meaning in the agri-robotic swarms of the future. 9. Smart greenhouses. Environments tailored for growth. With the introduction of intelligent greenhouses, the world of greenhouse farming has advanced to new heights. These cutting-edge buildings use automation and sensor-based technology to build ideal settings for plant growth. Intelligent greenhouses have the ability to accurately regulate variables, including temperature, humidity, light, and ventilation. This degree of management provides the best circumstances for plant growth, encouraging quicker growth, greater yields, and superior crop quality. Farmers can lengthen growing seasons, overcome climatic challenges, and lessen reliance on pesticides and fertilizers, thanks to smart greenhouse technology, making agriculture more ecologically friendly and sustainable. 10. Autonomous weeders. Precision weed control. Finished with laborious manual weeding. Weed control has advanced significantly thanks to autonomous weeders. To precisely locate and remove weeds, these intelligent machines use cutting-edge robotic and computer vision technology. In order to target and eradicate only the undesirable plants, autonomous weeders are able to differentiate between crops and weeds. They make weed management more effective and environmentally benign by eliminating the need for manual labor and chemicals thanks to their independence. 11. Solar-powered irrigation systems, harnessing the sun's energy. Solar-powered irrigation systems have been a game-changer in the search for sustainable irrigation solutions. These systems lessen dependency on conventional energy sources by using the sun's energy to drive irrigation pumps and provide water to crops. A healthy and affordable substitute for traditional irrigation techniques are solar-powered irrigation systems. They reduce operating expenses and carbon emissions by utilizing renewable energy. Particularly in places with limited access to energy, these technologies are changing agricultural methods and ensuring crops have sustainable access to water. 12. Intelligent plant breeders. Accelerating crop improvement. Ingenious plant breeders hold the key to crop enhancement in the future. To hasten the production of new crop varieties, these scientists mix conventional breeding methods with cutting-edge technology like genomics, bioinformatics, and artificial intelligence. Large-scale genetic analyses, the identification of desirable features, and well-informed breeding choices are all capabilities of intelligent plant breeders. This method permits the development of crops with increased yield, disease resistance, nutritional value, and climate flexibility. Intelligent plant breeders help to ensure global food security and sustainability by quickly creating new and improved crop varieties. 13. Intelligent crop monitoring systems. Real-time field insights. The days of just depending on hunches and guesswork to monitor crops are long gone. Real-time insights into field conditions are made possible by intelligent crop monitoring devices, which have changed the game. To keep an eye on crop health, growth patterns, and environmental conditions, these cutting-edge systems combine sensors, drones, and satellite imagery. Using data analytics and machine learning algorithms, farmers may optimize inputs, make data-driven decisions, and identify problems like nutrient deficiency, water stress, or disease outbreaks early on. 14. Hydroponics and aquaponics. Revolutionary soilless cultivation. With hydroponics and aquaponics, explore the world of soilless farming. The exact control over nutrient distribution and water management offered by these cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing the way we grow crops. In hydroponics, plants are grown in a water solution that is rich in nutrients, enabling quicker growth and greater harvests. By combining hydroponics and aquaculture, where fish waste serves as the plant's food source, aquaponics goes one step further. A self-sustaining ecosystem is produced by this symbiotic interaction, which reduces water use and increases resource efficiency. 15. Robotics in dairy farming. Automated milking and feeding. Robotics is useful for more than simply field operations. Automated milking and feeding devices have contributed to a revolution in dairy production as well. The labor-intensive duties associated with dairy production are eliminated by these technologies, resulting in increased productivity and enhanced animal care. Without human assistance, robotic milking systems employ sensors to recognize cows, wipe their udders, and attach milking units. Cows are fed precisely measured amounts of feed that are catered to their dietary requirements thanks to automated feeding devices. These developments free up farmers' time, lessen animal stress, and support more environmentally friendly dairy operations.